Next, another one of the important topic, and it is the 8 marks question, the board of intermediate. You can see here, what is the topic means standing or stationary wave. Standing or stationary wave. See, which is called as the standing waves or stationary waves. Say, let us here consider the two traveling waves. Two traveling waves of same amplitude, frequency and velocity but moving opposite directions or superimposed with each other. This phenomena is called standing or stationary wave. See, that means, see, let us, we are consider this as a rigid support, and the string is here the fixed between these two rigid support. And it's a plug with the perpendicular. Now what is generated by this? Here the transfer waves are generated. It's traveling to the up to end of another rigid support, and after that it can be returned back. So this is called the reflected wave. This is called the instant wave. Here, the how many waves are there? Two waves. One and two waves. The traveling waves of same amplitude. The amplitude will be same. This is the amplitude here. This is also amplitude. The maximum displacement in a wave is called as the amplitude. Now the amplitude is the same. The frequency will be also same. The velocity will be same, but the traveling in a opposite direction. See, the first one is traveling this direction, the second one can be traveling in a opposite direction. And superimposed. The superimposed means this can be the mean. This is the meaning. The superimposed with each other. This phenomena is called as the standing or stationary wave. Standing or stationary wave. Now this is based on the standing or stationary wave. Based on, we can discussing about the development of an equation. That is the formation of stationary wave. The formation of stationary wave on stretched string. The formation of stationary wave in a stretched string. See, let us consider string is fixed between two rigid supports. See here, this is the first rigid support, and this is considered another rigid support. Now this is the string is fixed between the two rigid supports and plugged the perpendicular to the string. Now what is producing by the transfer pulse are generated. This is the transfer pulse are generated. This is the transfer. Now this is called the instant wave. And after that the wave can be reflected. This is called as a reflected wave. Now we are observing here the same amplitude and same frequency and same velocity, but traveling in a opposite direction. Now what can be formed here? Standing or stationary waves can be formed. Therefore, the equation of progressive wave. Now the first we can observe the wave is traveling along this way. That means the positive x direction. See the displacement. The first wave of the displacement you consider the y1, and the second wave of the displacement you consider the y2. Then therefore displacement displacement of wave y1 is equal to a sin kx minus omega t along positive x direction, along positive x direction. Now the another way can be returned back. Returned back is nothing but the displacement of reflected wave. So this is the incident wave. This will be reflected. The y2 is equal to a sin kx plus omega t. Kx plus omega t, because is traveling along negative direction of x axis. Now observing, the first one we can be traveling along the positive x direction, and the second one we can be traveling along the negative x direction. Therefore displacement resultant displacement of wave, that is a y is equal to y1 plus y2. What is the formula here? The resultant displacement of a wave, y is equal to y1 plus y2. Right here, y is equal to y1 is equal to how much is here? A sin kx minus omega t plus, and y2 is equal to how much is there? A sin kx plus omega t. The resultant displacement y is equal to, we take the common, a will take the common, sin of kx minus omega t plus sin of kx plus omega t. See that a will be taken common. We have now one trigonometry formula, that is the sin a minus b plus sin of a plus b. Sin of a minus b plus sin of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Here the one of the trigonometry formula, this is an important formula for here. Sin of a minus b plus sin of a plus b is equal to, how much is there here? 2 sin a cos b. Now this principle we can apply here. See, this kx is considered a and omega t is considered b, and this is also a and this is also considered b. Observing here, sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b. What we can write? 2 sin a cos b. Then we can write here the resultant displacement y is equal to a is there, the amplitude, the first is there a, take a common, same, and 2 sin a is equal to kx into cos b is nothing but omega t. This can be also write 2a sin kx into cos omega t. This is considered the y, the resultant displacement, and this also considered the equation number 1. Therefore equation 1 is called stationary wave equation. Stationary wave equation. Therefore the resultant amplitude. See here, the resultant amplitude, the above equation what is that? Y is equal to 2a sin kx into cos omega t. Now in this term, actually we can derive this totally, then find out this resultant of amplitude, or also the comparing of the A cos, y is equal to A cos omega t also we comparing. The A is nothing but amplitude. The amplitude is nothing but what is there here? 2A sin kx. Therefore, the resultant amplitude AR, the resultant amplitude AR is equal, we consider this term is the 2A sin kx. What is that? This is the resultant amplitude of the formula AR is equal to 2 sin A. This total term we are considering by the amplitude. What is considered as amplitude? That is the resultant amplitude AR is equal to 2A sin kx. This equation not constant. This equation is not constant. It depends on kx. It depends on kx. K is nothing but what is the K is equal to propagation of wave vector. Propagation wave vector, or also say the angular velocity or angular frequency. And kx, x is nothing but position. X is equal to position. See, this value, the resultant displacement depends on its position. See, what are the positions are there? Here, the two positions are there. That is the position of node and another the position of antinode. The first we discussing about the position of node. The first one we discussing about the position of node. Position of node. The position where the amplitude is 0. 0 means bracket or the position where the amplitude is 0 is called node. Is called as the node. See, that is the amplitude is 0. Amplitude is nothing but resultant amplitude is 0. We know the formula for the resultant amplitude. AR is equal to 2A sin kx. Now can I the 2A sin kx is equal to how much is there is equal to 0 because of its position will be 0 amplitude. Now this 2A is taken this side. Again this is a sin kx is equal to also 0. And the sign is taken this side. The kx is equal to sine inverse of 0. The sine 0, whenever coming by the 0, here the sine 0 is the 0, sine 180, sine 360 and sine of 480. That will be of the 0. Now we can write here this n into pi is equal to kx. The kx is equal to what is there here? The n into pi. Here where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The first we can substitute 0 into pi, 0. See, that is equal to 0. And 1 into pi is nothing but 180. And sine of 180 how much is there? Again is the 0. The 2 substitute, 2 into pi. Again the 2 into pi, 180 into 2, 360. And 360 also is the 0. This total term can be also 0. This kx is equal to, we can write the pi, okay, next 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. And so on. Now can write the x, position x is equal to, we can write position x is equal to, we can write the k x is equal to means the k is taken this side here, pi by k, 2 pi by k and so on and so on. But k is equal to how much is there here? 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi by lambda. Substitute here x is equal to pi by 2 pi by lambda comma 2 pi by lambda and so on. See the pi gets cancelled, pi 2 pi gets cancelled. The denominator of the denominator is that the position of x is equal to lambda by 2 comma lambda and 3 lambda by 2 and so on. See what is the positions are there? The position of x is equal to lambda by 2, lambda, 3 lambda by 2 and so on. This position of x value, the position of x value, the substitute in a resultant amplitude. Therefore, resultant amplitude AR is equal, what is the formula then? 2a sin kx. 2a into sin kx. Now the first x is equal to how much is there? Lambda by 2. Substitute here. Then we can have 2a sin k is equal to how much is there here? 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 2. See lambda 2 gets cancelled. The sin pi is sin 180. 180 is equal to how much? 0. 0 into something? 0. That's AR is equal to 0. Since sin of pi is equal to 0. This is also called as 180 degrees. Is equal. The resultant amplitude is 0. Where the resultant amplitude is 0 is called as the position is called, what is that? The node.